Rock Bridge Arch is located near the midpoint of a 1.3 mile loop trail which begins and ends in this picnic area. It is the only example of the Red River Gorge of a type of arch known as a waterfall arch. It was formed by a waterfall flowing over a resistant rock layer. The water worked on a weaker rock section at the top of the falls and eventually cut through it. Rock Bridge is the only true bridge in the area as a stream flows beneath it. When you're driving to this trail, you hit a dirt road. And the GPS will say you've hit it, you're right where you should be, and you're not going to be. So just follow the dirt road all the way to the end of the picnic area, and you'll have no problems. Last year when I hiked this trail, there were signs saying danger of poisonous snakes. And sure enough, I found a snake, so it wasn't poisonous. Case in point, whenever you're hiking in the woods, pay attention to where you're walking. I hear waterfalls. You know, normally I pick up people's trash, but I don't think I'm going to pick up those nasty drawers. Ooh, pretty. Today's hike was about a mile and a half. It's an amazing waterfall and an awesome rock bridge. The trail is not too horrible. You do go down and you do come right back. There's an incline, whichever way you end. It's a heavily trafficked loop during the weekends in summer. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.